You know, I get a lot of emails about power seats, and one of the most common ones I receive is, hey Kent, my power seat won't move fore and aft. I can't get to the bolts to get it out. So what are you going to do? Cut the seat apart? I'm sure some have tried that, but there is another way you can do this. There's a number of reasons why your seat may not be moving fore and aft. It could be a bad switch, it could be a wiring problem, and it could be a bad motor. The worst case scenario is a bad motor. So I pulled out this power seat this morning and I had to get the track assembly off the spring because I want to use this right side spring in another car. So how in the world do you get the track to go back and forward if it's out of the car? You have to take it over the car and plug it back in. No, there's a better way. And I even have a way to show you how to do this if the motor's shot, burned, or frozen. So I shot an on-demand video today. It'll be available on my website. If you want to know how to get your power seat to move remotely, or you want to know how to get the power seat to move in the car when the motor is shot, be sure and check out that video on my website.